To understand the model and the pharmacokinetics behind it, it is useful to look at the 3D graph of the 3-compartment model. And you can do that by pushing this button over here. It will show you the 3D compartments of the propofol model that we used in this case. There's a central compartment over here. There is a second compartment and a third compartment over here, and this is the effect compartment. Now you can move your time bar, and then you will see that this reflects in the model. You can see if we start over here, when we put the bolus in, then the outer compartments are slowly being filled by the central compartment, and also the effect compartment is slowly going up by drug moving from the central compartment to the effect compartment. The sizes of the compartments can be shown, and also the actual concentrations by pushing the data button. The Eleveld research also confirmed or established a link between the blood concentration and an effect concentration, and in this case the BIS recording that was used in many of the researches. And we can look at the pharmacodynamics of the model by pressing this button, and we can see that the model predicts that the BIS with this simulation will go down from around 93 down to around 55, and then when the infusion is switched off, it will increase again to the original value. Now, not all patients start with the same BIS value, so you can change the initial BIS value by pressing the yellow button, and you can increase or decrease, let's say, the offset of the simulation.